Are you a business owner in Lorain County? Are you interested in further developing your workforce or growing your business? The Lorain County JVS has got you covered. We are now offering short-term customized training for your workforce in manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, and more. For example, do you work in construction and need to boost your employees' skills in reading blueprints? Or maybe you're in the manufacturing industry and improving your workforce's tooling, robotic, and CNC programming skills can help take your business to the next level. Our experienced instructors can create a training program to fit your exact needs. Want to know the best part? Classes are held at a time and place that's most convenient for you. And for a limited time, other than books and supplies, the training is free. Don't delay. Contact the JVS Adult Career Center today.